Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Jeep Compass fuel tank, easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and finding the fuel door release lever near the left footwell or lower dash. Pull the lever with steady force while listening for the click of the latch. Exit the vehicle and gently press the rear edge of the fuel door to fully open it and access the filler cap. If the automatic release does not work, use the manual release access inside the cargo area by folding the rear seat or removing a trim panel. Look for a small pull cable or plastic tab and pull it firmly toward you to release the latch. Be gentle and avoid excessive force to prevent bending the hinge or scratching the paint. After release, inspect the latch for dirt or obstruction and clean if needed. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more easy car tips. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a concise read that can change how you think about saving and planning, and it pairs well with practical life skills advice. Check the description for the link and special deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To avoid future trouble, keep the fuel door mechanism free of debris and lubricate moving parts lightly with a suitable spray. Periodically inspect the release cable for wear and ensure the interior lever operates smoothly when pulled. Replace a worn fuel cap seal to preserve system pressure and prevent fuel smell. If problems persist, schedule a service visit so a technician can adjust or replace the latch assembly safely and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.